Inside the box we have a hat, the hardware. So I saw in other videos that they didn't have the screws for it, and in mine there's the screws, so that's good. And yeah, there's some papers, instructions, and there's stickers in there. And we got the exhaust itself. I'll be using the big red 2-ton jacks, so the car jack and the jack stands. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Yup. Here I got my car, my 2017 Mazda 3, 2.5 liters. It's stock. The Borla will be my first mod. All these wheel chocks here. So now I got my car on both jack stands with the wheel chock in front, and I put my gear in reverse, and when I shake the car seems pretty, oh god. Okay, so I guess I could work under there. I think it's high enough. So yep, let's go. Looks like quite a simple installation, but we'll see. It's my first time doing something like this, so we'll see. I'm a big beginner, so yep. Alright, so I'm using the torque wrench with a 15 thingy here. I forgot the name. Okay. Oh crap. Fuck. Oh no, I'm just stripping it at this point. Fuck. Nope. Does not work. Fuck. And okay, I'll try it with the manual, so. Okay. Oh shit, I got it. Hey, so I got it with my, I did it with my feet. I hope you can see. Those bolts are rusty. Okay. Hey. Now I got both of the bolts off of here. Hope you can see that. So now I'm just gonna put some oil, but it's not a lubricant, on the exhaust hangers. On top, okay. And on the back. Yeah. Oh, I'm just taking the rubber pieces off. Oh. Alright, so I got all the muffler slash exhaust out. This shit's heavy, so I was alone doing it, but I highly recommend another pair of hands, because I had boxes to hold it, but if I was underneath, the thing would have just crushed me. Sorry my English, I'm French, okay? But yeah, so I got the 4 rubber hangers loose with this. Okay, so I got the first tip up. It's centered, yep. I haven't oh god, I don't know. And I hope I did put enough force here, but I think it's really tight. So I'm done. It's fully installed. Oh wow, can't wait to start it up. It make a big noise.
Damn.
Fuck man, what the fuck? Woohoo! Damn.
It's fucking nice.
Yeah, holy shit.
Ouais, c'est hot, hein?
Yeah! Hihi! Non, c'est genre. En plus, c'est pas trop pire.
Non, c'est fucking
Oh yeah!
ouais, ça c'est nice.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Oh, ça c'était smooth.
Yeah. Tu sais, ça a juste un petit peu plus de bruit.
Ouais. Non, mais c'est ça qui est nice. Ça veut dire que ça va plus vite, tu sais?
Un peu, ouais. Ralentir. Oh!